So I'm starting today by moving some plants and trees, because obviously for some the intense sun is great, like the citrus fruit there, but for some trees and plants like the kiwi that was just here, it is just too intense because it does not have a root system yet. So we need to give it some time, so I'm moving it to a more shadier part where it can grow. And that's the first thing on the list for today. Here you go, little lemon. And oh my god, if you have never seen the flowers, they smell amazing. So let me see, I've got an open flower somewhere, I'm sure. Yeah, here you go. So here's a starting lemon and lemon flower. I can just smell it from here. Absolutely amazing. This is gonna be awesome in our greenhouse. I think they'll love it in the greenhouse, but then again, they also do fine here, it seems. Yeah, love plants. The grapes, however, don't seem to be doing that great. So if you have any, like 3 of them have started to shoot some leaves, but 2 out of 5 won't really do anything, it seems, like this one. So if you have any tips and tricks on grapes, because at some point I'd love to focus more on the kitchen and therefore also making some wine and blah blah blah, that will be for a later date. So if you have any tips and tricks on grapes specifically, then please do drop them below. So there used to be 2 or 3 humongous trees here, and the previous owners decided to cut them down, and probably they've sold all the wood or something, but the pieces that they couldn't sell or for whatever reason left here are still here. Probably in a later episode we'll get to we got to the end of this garden, and there are some humongous slabs of wood indicating how old and big that tree was. thanks again so much for all your support, and I'm super stoked to be making these things in honor of your support.
Stel dat goed bij deze hoogte of ja? Ja. Ja. Nou, dan zie je bent vandaag er niet mee. Begin? Ja, vinger is weg. Ja, ik had even schudden. Jij moet goed doen dan. Zie jij het zo? Ja.
Kijk, als ik dit... Hier, wacht even. Ik heb hem hier.